So this is not an install video or anything. This is just the story of what happened and what I did with my old 1980s AC unit and how I replaced it with one of these Mr. Cools. Okay, so this is my 1980s outside air conditioning unit that sadly passed on last Sunday. It had to have been running for probably 35, 40 years now. So, can't complain. Haven't done anything to it other than, keep the leaves out of it and blow out the coil once a year just to make sure nothing was blocking away, but sadly something inside of it started leaking last Sunday, and by Sunday evening it wasn't cooling anymore. This is the AC disconnect for the outside unit. I figured I'd remove the cover and have a look in here. Everything looks good. I broke loose and tightened all of the electrical connections. For right now, I'm going to call it good and put these covers back on it. Well, that's about all we can do for now. Gotta wait for this Mr. Cool unit to come in. It's Saturday now. It's scheduled to be in by Tuesday. Maybe it'll be in Monday. I don't know. I hope so, because it's hot and humid. Yeah. So here's the Mr. Cool unit installed. It's pretty easy to install. I was kind of under pressure because I was doing it in the middle of thunderstorms. But it came out pretty good. The disadvantage of it being the DIY kit is you have all this extra line that you have to do something with. So my solution was use an old garden hose hanger and screw that to the wall, and that does a good job, but it's still not very pretty. But we might be able to come up with some kind of covering or something for it. And if I really wanted to, the black electrical line, I could just shorten it to the right length and redo the connectors on the end. But basically, yeah, that's all there is to installing one. You have your two refrigerant lines that go up to the inside unit. You have the condensate line, which I actually have a garden hose connected to it that comes out in front of this concrete pad. Gravity feeds the condensate out, and your electrical connection that connects the two together. The power comes from my original air conditioning system safety disconnect right there and goes straight into the side, and that's what powers the whole thing. The black electrical cable powers the inside unit from the outside unit. There's the Mr. Cool inside unit doing its thing. Set to 73 degrees. It's a little over 80 outside, and it's doing its job nicely. I've had it running for a few days now, and it really does the job. This is the 23,000 BTU DIY install. I mean, my house is small, so this is plenty. But apparently they were out of the 18,000 BTU unit, which is what I originally ordered. So this was what I could get quick, so in it went. And got no regrets. I like having air conditioning in the summertime. It's necessary where I live. Okay, that's it.